Hello friends, in the present video, we will solve a numerical based on the infinite slopes. Let us first understand the problem. What is given here? An infinite slope, okay? As of now, we have seen theory for infinite slope in dense sand. So what is meant by dense sand? It comes under cohesionless soils. If it is a cohesionless soils, whatever the cohesion value, C will be equal to 0. Okay. Having an inclination 30 degrees to the horizontal. So we have to see this value, whether this angle is given with respect to horizontal or whether with respect to vertical. Okay. So whatever the I value we have considered, that value is with respect to horizontal. So while deriving the derivations, we have taken slope is denoted by I. And how much is given here? 30 degrees. Okay. What we have to find? We have to find the factor of safety. Okay. What is given if the angle of friction of the soil is 35 degrees? So what is the term we have to denote by angle of friction? Phi. That will be is equal to 35 degrees. So in this question, anything mentioned about the unit weight of the soil? That means what is soil given? Dense sand. That means unit weight of the sand not given. And also, what is the state of the soil? Did they given whether it is a dry condition, submerged condition, or seepage is occurring? No. So if nothing is mentioned, then they are talking about the dry condition. Right? Either you can solve this problem by using a simple formula, or else we can solve it by recalling the derivations whatever we have done in the previous videos. So if you recall, what is the factor of safety? That will be equal to S divided by tau. Shear strength of the soil divided by shear stress. Shear strength, how can we denote it? C plus sigma n tan phi divided by tau. So how can you find out the C value? For this dense sand, what is the C value? As it is the cohesionless, 0. Okay, 0 plus. We have to remember this one. What is the normal stress acting on the failure plane? That will be nothing but a density unit weight of the soil into H into cos square I into tan phi. What about the shear stress on the failure plane? That will be nothing but a gamma H into cos I into sin I. Gamma H gets cancelled, cos I, and if one cos goes to the downward side, then how much you'll get? We will get factor of safety will be equal to tan phi divided by tan I. Either we can derive the equation or else we can find out the answer by simply by adding this equation, as it is a basic formula and also very simple question directly based on the tan phi divided by tan I. What is the tan phi given in the question? Angle of friction is given as 35 degrees. Slope of the soil is given as 30 degrees. So if we simplify this, we will get n value in equal to 1.21. Now tell me, based on this value, whether your slope is stable or not. So we can say if your factor of safety, if it is coming greater than 1, then we can say it is a stable slope. As our value is greater than 1, then we can say that the slope is stable. Thank you.